So today I am in the Holland Bamboo area. So I want to make a tour in the middle quarters area, so you just can sit down and relax and catch a view, because you know in Jamaica we have some nearby community. We never really get our chance to see it. So keep on watching, guys. Yeah man, so Holland Bamboo with there. Yeah, man, see the pretty bamboo there now. Remember see our middle quarters we are there, you know. So yes, some people. So when you come to middle quarters, see it here. Now forget them peppery shrimp. Yeah, see it there. Very, very peppery. Very, very delicious. Yeah man. Tell us the thing, you know. I always bring a bottle of water. So if you come to middle quarters, just feel free to stop and get on the peppery shrimp, you know.